Start trying to get the plane.
You messed up.
Sell to her and she would sell. She pulls the shades down.
Some of the more serious places, like
Okay, right here, this place is jumping the ice cream spot, and this one. Right now, ice cream is so popular, of course. The baked bear. It's that time of the year, ice cream. Everybody wants their ice cream right now.
and I literally opened it.
This spot's super bright. Not a whole lot of people in here though. It's okay, we don't have to go in. But check it out. This is Junbi, Junbi, matcha and tea. I like matcha. I drink the matcha tea a lot. It's healthy, matcha tea. So I'm surprised for this time of the evening, which it's a little bit later. Let's do a time check. 8:05 p.m. It has thinned out from earlier. Earlier it was really jumping here. It was really packed. There was a lot of people here. There was the sidewalk sale going on. A lot of deals, I guess. But I have a feeling that this place gets pretty busy, pretty packed during the summertime anyway, so I have a feeling that's kind of just general. Which is awesome, super awesome. Say 8 o'clock. Been here a good 4 hours, wow. All right, so we're gonna head this way. So seriously, this is, I've said it many times and today proves it, I think. It's very New York City-ish here. Very Manhattan-ish here. It's kind of Manhattan and Long Branch.
this guy who does.
in a way, that kind of mix, it feels like.
Do you like Kristen? I'm a good Kristen.
And there's a nice breeze right now. It was very warm today, very humid. We're walking right now along Route 27, Nassau Street. This goes all the way up to like Edison, Menlo Park Mall, that way. So yeah, it's very, very cool. I think it gets a little tricky once you go up that way a little bit, in some parts. But here it's not. It's pretty straightforward as far as I know from here. So yeah, we have a lot of videos from today, and I'm using the new bag, the Adidas bag I got. It's working really well with Big Guy, our pocket camera. Great bag, better than the other one. The other one was a little hard to maneuver things a bit, and it was a good bag, but not like this one. This one's very good. This one works very well. Except today I had I had something underneath the Big Guy in the bag, so hopefully he was okay, like with the actual walking, with not being too jittery. But he handles it very well. So this light is very long.
Wait. 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 One sign is on.
Okay, so we're good, we're good.
One sign is on for all crossings. One sign.
All right, Nassau Street, Route 27. Let's head this way. I'm heading back towards the car. I parked down on the outskirts a little bit, but close. It's still right here in the hood, but I have a spot that I like to park. It's pretty awesome. Wow, this place looks pretty cool. Hey, we could take a quick peek in here. Let's just see. Just take a peek. What is it? Ice cream? Ice cream. Bubble tea. Oh, they got the ice cream, bubble tea, good spot. That is fruit yogurt. I think it's called fruit yogurt, it says. Frozen yogurt, fruity yogurt, and cafe. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So the plan tomorrow is hitting up Menlo Park Mall. There's supposed to be a lot of rain for the next week. So yeah, that's kind of what the plan is because of that. But it's a cool spot, so we'll probably hit up that tomorrow. And I have been working a lot on the apparel for the Pibry, Pibry apparel. So we have a lot of apparel coming. I have a lot of apparel. We have a lot of apparel up right now. Well, there's quite a bit of people over this way too, across the street. Should we go over there? I don't know. No, maybe not today. I don't know. Yeah, there's quite a bit of people over there. There's probably ice cream. My guess is there is ice cream. So there's a good amount of people across the street, yeah. This place is so lively. Wow. I'm telling you, Princeton is impressive. Princeton is no joke. There really is a lot of people here. But yes, I've been working on the apparel, so check that out. Store. It should be linked to the channel. And I really don't like putting links into our descriptions and comments or anything like that anymore. I know a lot of creators do that. I don't want to do that really, because links break later on. A link can change. So the direction is just check out the channel description. Just go to the channel description and see what's there. That's really the current updates of anything. That's the way I want to run the channels. That's the way we're going to do it. If you're a YouTube creator, you might want to kind of do the same. But if you have links that a year later, the link is just like not even something that you use anymore or something. I know a lot of people do affiliate Amazon. What if the Amazon link just disappears or changes? Now, linking and tagging products inside of the YouTube studio is different. That's a different thing. I'm just talking about external links. But YouTube has their own tagging system. And you may see some tag products at some point, sometime. I'm still working on the website. There's still some technical things. But everything's ready to go though, pretty much, except for the technical side, the URL, anyway. But yeah, that's a good way to support the channel. The channels. The apparel. Styling. Pretty styling. Just check it out. All right, let's go. So we got a great walk-in today. Wow, we did a good 4 hours today. So there's gonna be a lot of episodes. And LBG, little big guy, overheated a couple times. So there's no control, not much controlling that. I do plan on getting LBG another teammate pretty soon. I just had to invest in a new hard drive because he's hungry. Little big guy eats a lot of space, but it's okay. It's part of what we do. So here, there's some outside dining over there. Pretty cool, Mediterranean. So this is like the outskirt area here. School. It looks like school. Asian cuisine. Schoolsy. Maybe I didn't say it right. During the school season, you see a lot of students hanging out there. Wow, it's even lively over here. We got Hoagie Heaven over here. Hoagie Haven. Pretty jumping. I'm telling you, New York City-ish. Pretty crazy. City vibe here. Got the Fontuan. There is a vibrant Asian community here, so Fontuan is here. So yeah, it's very mixed here. Very mixed. This looks pretty jumping over here. Wow, over here there's some people. So I'm guessing there's quite a bit of regulars here and maybe some travelers such as myself. Time travelers maybe. We're time traveling actually. When we watch this, it's time traveling. It's wild. Every memory we have is a time travel in a way.
I think they would probably like it.
I think most importantly,
I'm telling you, I'm impressed with Princeton on the summer night, on the summer afternoon. Maybe it was the summer, I don't think it was just the sale thing. They had the street sale today. But I don't think it was just that. I think it's just a jumping place during the summertime when the weather is nice. It's even when it's the weather's nice, not even on the weekend. I've seen it like this. Last time we were here, it was actually pretty jumping. So is it jumping like this all the time? That's a good question. If anyone has the answer, do let us know. Cool mohawk right there. Bro, that's badass, man. I haven't seen that since a long time, bro. What do you like? You're hardcore?
Punk, ska punk, that
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah.
That's crazy about Lou, right? Sick of it all?
Yeah, that was tragic.
Yeah, man.
It's happened, unfortunately.
Yeah, I rock YouTube. Here you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm rocking YouTube right now, all day.
All right, roll.
Yeah, I got a couple channels. Check that out.
That's good. Thanks so much.
Cool. Peace, brother. That's awesome, man. Awesome. Love it. That was the coolest hair. All right, cool ending to our day walking. Well, I gotta jump in the car. Good times. And thank you so much for tuning in. Have a good day, good night, good evening. All of that. Good afternoon. Keep God first, Jesus first. Jesus is eternal. This is all temporary stuff. It's great. It's everything that we do that's fun and successful and positive and things like that. Awesome. Keep doing it. It's awesome. It's great. But also remember, there is eternal outside of time. And one day we all, unless we can avoid it or something, we all get there one day. So some are ahead of others. Anyway, so have a great time, everyone. All right. Thanks. See you all in the next one. Peace.